Stories are important because it creates the brand of the company. What I think a space should do is talk to you.
All of our clients get our designs, but they're all very, very different and they're all very, very creative.
Sometimes it's a color that brings the creativity to space. Sometimes it is a piece of furniture or an accent. And all of these pieces create a story.
We research a lot of different products, but we also try to be as creative as possible, and no project is ever the same.
It's very challenging, but we love challenges. All the furniture, all the systems that we design should be flexible enough to manipulate in space.
We like to switch from the computer programs to sketching by hand to using colors, and I think using all the different media, not just the 3D software, is another point that sets us apart.
When I first came to the United States, I saw this country being as a big well of opportunities. I found interior design first and then architecture second. And through all the experiences and all the people that I had been with, working for other companies, I had discovered myself again. I discovered that I love making other people happy through creating something that they haven't seen before.